So let's compare HeyGen versus Synthesia and Colossyan. So which of these is better, and let's look into each one of these. So HeyGen is built across realistic AI presenters and fast content creation. So you can turn a script into a video, create your own digital twin and add b-roll video and produce content in like 175 plus languages and dialects. So that's mostly what you can do with HeyGen. Whereas Synthesia on the other hand here is more enterprise focused with AI avatars, brand controls, document to video workflows, and localizations across 160 plus languages. It's particularly strong for structured business and training content. And the Colossyan here is heavily focused on training and learning. It can turn scripts, documents, presentations, and URLs into structured training videos with AI generated scenes and avatars. And if we look into the pros of each one of these, is that the biggest advantage of HeyGen is the realism and versatility. It's highly, the avatars are highly expressive, and you can generate your own digital twin as well. It works well for marketing and social medias as well. Whereas Synthesia, they are one of the highlight is that it shines when you need professional, consistent, and scalable business content. And Colossyan here has a bigger strength for training workflows. So you can start with a document or script, have the AI turn it into a scene by scene video plan, and edit individual scenes as well. And on the downside here, for HeyGen, like with all the creativity flexibility, you can feel like the platform it can feel like more platform than you need if your goal is just a straightforward corporate training. And while the AI avatars are very realistic, they still are not perfect replacement for real persons. So keep that in mind. Synthesia is excellent for polished corporate videos, but that can be also a limitation. So if you're a creator looking for highly social, personality-driven content, then this might be a less flexibility. And Colossyan here is particularly compelling for learning and development, but that specialization means it may be less attractive if your priority is like viral social media content or creator contents in that case. So I would suggest if you're a creator, marketer, salesperson, or a personal brand, HeyGen would be ideal for you. But if you're a large company like creating, um, you know, training or onboarding videos like that, then Synthesia might be a strong choice for you. And if you're specifically in L&D or like employee training or compliance in that cases, this Colossyan might be something that you can consider as well. So the winner isn't the platform with the most features, it's the one that matches the kind of videos you actually need to make.